Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. Today we have with us a unique Bluetooth speaker which is small in size but packed with a lot of power, and it's the EWA A106 Mini Bluetooth speaker. And today in this video, we will do the unboxing and find out how this mini speaker performs. So let's start. The EWA A106 is a compact Bluetooth speaker. The price of this Bluetooth speaker is 1500 rupees and it's available on Amazon.in. And before we start, if you're new to our channel, then please press the subscribe button and turn on the notifications to get the latest videos from us. So here is the box. It's a simple looking box with the branding and the picture of the speaker. And here we can see the technical details. It's a 3-watt speaker, has a 10-meter Bluetooth range, 165 grams weight, which is actually little heavy for this size. And about the battery capacity, it has a 500 mAh battery. So let's open the box and see the content now. So first we get on the top is the carrying case. The main speaker unit is inside this case as well. We will look at the case and speaker in a moment. Let's see what else we get in the box. So we get the user guide, a feedback card, and we also get a micro USB charging cable. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the speaker closely. First, about the case, it feels pretty solid and well built. And the material of the case is also of high quality. There is also a carabiner hook here by which you can attach it to your backpack. On the case we also have these holes this side, which means you can listen to the music while the speaker is inside the case. Now let's open the case and see the speaker. So here it is, the EWA A106 Mini Bluetooth speaker. The first thing I notice is that it's on the heavier side. Keeping in mind the size, it does feel heavy. The body is mainly made up of metal and that too of very high quality. And because of that, it feels pretty solid and well built. On the top of the speaker we have this grill which looks pretty good and the quality is also nice. So in terms of design and the build quality, full marks to this mini Bluetooth speaker. In terms of ports and feature, you have only one single button here, which is this, and it lets you power on and turn off the speaker. This button also has few other usage such as single click to pause and play track, double press to skip a track, and triple press to go back to the previous track. There are no volume controls in this tiny speaker, which I think it's not a deal breaker as you can control the volume from your phone. And here on this side, we have the micro USB charging port. At the bottom of the speaker you have these 3 rubber feet, and also in the middle you have this soft material which moves when you play a song, and I think because of this we're going to get some good bass from the speaker. And to find out more about this, let's pair the speaker with our phone. Pairing process is simple, just turn it on and when the blue LED is flashing you will see the speaker in your available devices. So it's paired, now let's play some music. I must say here that the speaker has an amazing sound output, the bass is good, and about the clarity, it's pretty loud and clear too. The sound also gets louder and bassy when you put the speaker on a surface such as a wooden table, and it basically amplifies the bass and the overall sound output. I'm really impressed with the sound quality of this tiny speaker, and keeping in mind the price which is 1500 rupees, this is an amazing product. Now let's use the travel case we get with this speaker and see how is the sound output. With the case, I actually like the sound output more, though the bass is now all muffled up, but the treble is right and it's also loud enough. So in terms of sound quality, bass is definitely very good, the treble is little too much but it's not that bad. The output is loud, and because of the bass, sometimes you'll get these distorted highs at full volume, but if you lower the volume to 80 or 70%, then the overall output is perfect. Now just to give you a comparison, here we have the Mi Compact Speaker 2, which is also a mini Bluetooth speaker. We will play some songs on both and you will be able to judge the sound quality. First of all, the Mi Compact Speaker 2 is also pretty good for its price. We have reviewed this speaker in past, and if you want to see that, then do check the link to the video in the description below. So first, let's play the music through the Mi speaker. You can hear that it's also clear, but the bass is not that good. Now let's switch to the EWA speaker. The audio output is more louder, and that too with the good amount of bass. So that's clear, this Bluetooth speaker is small in size but for sure has a good bass and sound output I have ever tested in this price range and also in this category. About the battery, during our testing we got the battery life of in between 3 to 4 hours at full volume, and with the half volume we were able to get around 6 to 7 hours of continuous playback time, which is also pretty good. And about the charging, it takes around 2 hours to charge completely, and the best thing is that you can also use the speaker while it's getting charged. So overall the EWA A106 Bluetooth mini speaker is value for money. Design and the build quality is perfect and the audio output is exceptionally very good. This speaker definitely has some bass in it and the output is clear and loud. The best thing I like about this tiny speaker is its price and its size. The speaker is priced correctly, keeping in mind the quality you're getting, and the company also claims that if you're not thrilled with the output, you can return it and get a refund with no question asked. And as usual, if you like this speaker and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the review of the EWA A106 Mini Bluetooth speaker. Let us know how you find this speaker, and also do tell us what you like most about this power packed mini speaker in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.